To resize photo on iPhone, follow these simple steps. Launch your Photos app. Navigate to the picture that you want to resize. Once you have opened the picture, click on three bars given at the bottom. Now, bunch of options will appear. Navigate to the option Crop. Now you are able to resize the photo according to your choice. You can manually resize this picture, or what you can do is click on this icon given over here. With that, you will get different options to resize your picture: freeform, square, wallpaper, 9:16, 4:5, and different option. So choose according to your choice and then click on done. With that, you will be good to go. So following the same steps, you are able to resize any picture on your device. If you're not satisfied with the resize feature on the iPhone, what you can do is, you can launch App Store, then search for any of the third-party app through which you can easily resize your picture. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily resize photo on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.